HAL begins integration of mid-air refueling probe on LCA-Tejas. Engineers and technicians at Hindustan Aeronautics Ltd's HAL LCA-Tejas Division have begun the extremely complex integration of the aerial refueling probe onto the Tejas fighter. During a visit to the HAL facilities, Mathrubhumi witnessed the fitment tests on the limited series production 8 LSP-8 variant of Tejas. The air-to-air probe, supplied by UK-based Cobham, is being fixed in front of the canopy and on the right side of the aircraft. Similar to Mirage, Tejas 2 will have a fixed aerial refueling probe. The modification of LSP-8 is under progress. The structural modification for the attachment and load is underway. We also have to undertake fuel system and software modifications, says V Sridharan, General Manager, LCA. The pressure refueling process on LSP-8 and SP-1 have already been demonstrated. Last year, the naval LCA, NP2, underwent hot refueling at HAL facilities. Both were mandatory tests ahead of fixing the fuel probe. Once the probe is fixed and structural integration is done, then we will have the ground tests, which will be followed by flight trials. The efficiency of the flight control system will also be tested, says Sridharan. According to him, HAL has the expertise in fixing mid-air fuel probes on Jaguar trainers. The work share for this critical integration work is being split between Aeronautical Development Agency, ADA, Aircraft Research and Design Center, ARDC, Tata Advanced System Laboratories, TASL, and LCA-Tejas Division. TASL has been entrusted with tool design and tooling supply. ADA is the program agency responsible for production, structural design and software. ARDC has been entrusted with structures and systems, while we, LCA-Tejas Division, are the final integration agency, says Sridharan. HAL hopes to complete the modifications on Tejas LSP-8 by May this year, so that the flight trials could begin in June. As per the current schedule, by March 2017, HAL needs to complete the testing and flight trials ahead of certification. HAL Chairman Siva Raju, who is keeping a close watch on the production schedules, said that the complex integration work is nearing completion. Once the integration work is done, we will have the engagement checks to ensure that the flow is right. This will be followed by dry and wet runs again, to check the flow rate of fuel. Finally, we will take the fighter for the mid-air refueling trials, says Raju. HAL officials say that the carriage trials in June will be immediately followed by dry contact tests. Once Tejas is fitted with the mid-air refueling probe, it multiplies the aircraft range and radius of action. Mid-air refueling probe is one of the key parameters HAL and ADA combined need to fulfill ahead of the final operational clearance. HAL says from the first Tejas MKIA aircraft onwards, 21st fighter in the series production plans, all platforms will be fitted with the air-to-air refueling probe. However, if the IAF wishes, then it could enter into a separate contract with HAL to retrofit even the first 20 series production variants with these probes, says an official. In a related development, Tejas LSP-3 and LSP-7 have reached Jamnagar ahead of IAF's firepower demonstration, Iron Fist 2016. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.